Alright, quick update on DogelonMars. So it looks like as of the time of recording this, we are breaking bearish outside of this triangle pattern that we've been forming for the past couple of months really. I mean, since the start of the year, the 19th of January is when we started putting in our first touch points on this. You could even argue, you could draw it back even further. I wouldn't draw it past this, but you can see the touch points here on the 10th of January are very valid. So this has been in a trend for a very long period of time, 117 days, and we are breaking to the downside of it at this moment in time. So is this a super bearish sign in itself? I wouldn't necessarily say so. Now, why is that? Well, first of all, we've wicked out once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9, 10, 11, and now this could potentially be the 12th time. So I really don't want DogelonMars holders to look at this video and think, oh my god, you know, we're falling, we're gonna have to come down to this level. It is definitely just something you need to be aware of. Now, this video is really to say I would not be leverage trading Elon right now. I wouldn't be leverage trading any altcoins really at this moment in time. However, as Elon is breaking down, very strong dump into the past 4 hours with a decent amount of volume coming in. We've still got another hour to go before this 4-hourly candle closes. The bearish momentum, or should I say rather, the momentum indicators are only just switching macro bearish. So we could be seeing a flush out, and you know, if we do put in a daily close around these regions, I say if we close at/around the 8th level, then we could have a plummet, and we could come down to as low as the low 6s down around 612. That is about a 24% drop from where we are. Yeah, basically approximately a 24% drop. So definitely something to keep an eye on. I wouldn't be trading Elon right now. And bear in mind, while the Elon charts by themselves are bearish, like I mean, from a technical perspective, you're not extremely bullish because you've broken below your 618s, but from a Fibonacci perspective, the trend is still bullish, and the trend is still your friend until the end because we are above these 786 Fibonacci. So don't get this twisted. I do hold Dogelon. I do like Dogelon. I think it's the best Dogecoin. I am going to be scooping up Dogelon if we come down to these levels. I just want to make you aware that, you know, if we do start putting in daily closes below this 8 level, we could definitely come down to lower price targets. Now, what is the one reason why I'm not so worried about Elon coming down to lower price targets? It has something that doesn't directly affect Elon, but it indirectly affects Elon. And let me show you the Bitcoin chart, and you might be thinking, you know, I came here for Elon analysis, why is this guy talking about Bitcoin now? I'm going to click off the video, but just let me explain. If we look at what's been going on, we're on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. We've just, well, we're coming into Sunday tomorrow. We've almost put in 6 consecutive red weekly candles. What is significant about this? Well, the world record, I say world record, I mean the Bitcoin the Bitcoin world record, the most amount of consecutive red candles in a row that have ever happened at any one moment in time on Bitcoin have been 5. If we're about to put in 6, I do think in the next week we are at least going to see a reverse rally up to, you know, 40,000, 41,000, just because historically we've always put in 5 bearish candles and we've never put in a 6. We've always rocketed. So putting in that 6 is already the cherry on top of the cake. I do think we're going to be reversing into next week. What does that mean for Elon? It means that while this is an Elon video, I wouldn't necessarily get too freaked out about the Elon chart because Elon's a dog coin. You're going to see fake outs a lot of the time. I would not be surprised if we went down to some lower price targets, maybe went halfway down, and then as Bitcoin starts rallying into next week, we could start seeing a face tear for Elon. Maybe not this euphoric. I will keep you updated if I do plan on picking up some more Elon. It already takes up 4% of my portfolio, so yeah. That's all I've got for today for Elon. It does seem like Bitcoin is going to push up. Nasdaq has price gaps on the daily time frame up at 14812, which is a 17% pump for the stock market. Could be an interesting week coming into this week that we've got coming up. Let me know what you think down below. I'll probably give you another update on Elon coming into Monday of next week, unless we do something very crazy by tomorrow. That's all I've got for Elon. As always, not financial advice. cowboy out, and most importantly, peace.